It's a great question, and today we're diving into both to figure out which one truly stands out for customization. But stick around, because after we break down the features, I'll be sharing a powerful alternative that might just be a better fit. First thing, let's talk about Xero. Xero is widely recognized as one of the top accounting software options for small businesses. While it's mostly known for its user-friendly interface and strong core accounting features, when it comes to customization, it can be a bit of a mixed bag. You can customize invoices, reports, and even the dashboard to some extent. But here's the catch: while the ability to adjust certain templates and reports exists, it's not as flexible as some may hope, especially for businesses with more complex needs. You won't find the same level of granular customization you might expect from other platforms. Next thing to consider, let's look at Bonsai. Bonsai, on the other hand, focuses on freelancers and small businesses, offering a more tailored experience for those specific needs. Bonsai stands out in terms of customization with its contracts, proposals, and time tracking tools. It lets you create custom templates, which is fantastic for freelancers who want to ensure every contract or invoice aligns with their brand and style. The level of customization you get with Bonsai is definitely impressive in this regard, especially when compared to Xero's more rigid approach. The third thing to mention is integrations. Xero shines here, offering a massive range of integrations, with over 800 apps available to connect with. This means you can tailor your setup to your exact needs by syncing with other tools you're already using, whether it's payment processing systems, CRMs, or project management software. Bonsai, however, falls a bit short on this front. While it offers integrations with some popular platforms, it's nowhere near as extensive as Xero's offering. If your workflow involves lots of different tools, Xero has the edge. Next thing, let's talk about the learning curve. Xero can be a bit overwhelming at first. There's so much functionality, but all that customization potential can lead to a steeper learning curve. Bonsai, on the other hand, is more intuitive and streamlined. Freelancers who just need basic accounting tools or contract management will find it easier to dive right in without spending a lot of time getting familiar with the system. The fifth thing worth discussing is the overall support. Xero offers a wide range of support options, including 24/7 help and an extensive help center. But depending on the complexity of your customization, you might find yourself needing to reach out for help more often. Bonsai also provides support, but it's more tailored to a smaller set of use cases. The downside is that while they're great at helping freelancers, businesses with more complicated needs might struggle to get the same level of support. So, after evaluating both Xero and Bonsai for customization, they each offer solid features in their own right. Xero gives you more integrations and flexibility in accounting, while Bonsai allows for deeper customization in contracts and proposals. But here's the thing, neither of them is perfect when it comes to offering total customization across every part of your business. If you want to take your customization game to the next level, and you're looking for a software that offers the best of both worlds, accounting flexibility, personalized templates, and top-notch integrations, I recommend checking out the free trial link in the description. After trying all of them myself, I can confidently say this is the best alternative for those looking for more customization in their workflow. Take advantage of the exclusive offer through our link, and you'll get the best free trial available, only for our viewers. Don't miss out on a better solution to meet all your customization needs.